Yo, what's up guys? It's Mystic and we actually hit 1 million views while I was away. And so we're going to be back with a big one. Alright, and I also noticed that a lot of you are kind of confused about the new Amazon update. So if you haven't noticed, I am in the studio today, and today I'm actually going to be showing you two 4K Maxes because I got two of them. I also got two controllers. Okay, and basically I have one Fire Stick that's from my living room that has the newest 2026 update, and I have the one that's here in the studio which actually has the classic look. But for this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you could get the Xbox Game Pass running on both, and I'm going to show you how you could connect a PS5 controller to play Xbox games. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so now if you have the brand new 2026 update for your Fire Stick, then your interface will look exactly like this. Now you just go to the top, and that's where you'll find a search bar menu, which is where we're going to type in Xbox, and this is the official app that we're going to be downloading. Now alternatively, if you are on the new update, you could also just press the menu button on your controller and now go to a section that says Games, which is brand new, and then when you scroll down, you'll actually have all the apps that are gaming apps, which also includes Xbox. So you could go here also. Now, if you have the original or the classic look on your Fire Stick, then you'll simply just go to search, and then same thing like normal, you just type in Xbox, and then you're going to click on the first one that pops up, which is the official app. Now, as you can see, I have both controllers, but for this video, we're going to do the PS5 for Xbox. So we're going to hold down the PlayStation button and the share button until it pulsates blue, just like this. Alright, now once it is connected, you're going to have to go to your settings, which there's multiple ways you could get to it. But once you do go to your settings, go to controllers and Bluetooth devices, and then you're going to click on game controllers. And then once you click on game controllers, if you hit add new game controller, then your PlayStation controller or whatever controller you guys decide to use should pop up. So I'm going to click on DualSense wireless controller, and then I get a notification at the bottom that it actually connected. So once you open up the app, guys, as you can see, you can actually take a look at all the games that's, included in it before you actually purchase it, because you will need some type of membership. And just to show you a few games, you see they got Cyberpunk, they got Construction Simulator, a few games just that they just added. But right here, guys, this is the different plans, which as you can see, you could pay $1 and do a free trial for 2 of the 3 plans, which is amazing because they all come with free games. Well, it's not really free, but you understand what I meant. But right here, just to show you guys, you just click sign in. And then once you do click sign in, once you do create an account or have your own membership, or if you already have a membership, you just sign in like normal, and then you'll hit let's play. And just once we hit this is what it should look like. So it kind of looks exactly like you're on an Xbox, but we're on the Fire Stick right now. And just to show you, I am using the PlayStation controller right now while I'm on Xbox, which is actually funny. But this is possible, and you guys can do it also. But for this example, I'm just going to show you that we can play Call of Duty, which is probably one of the most popular games on this whole entire list that you could just play with this Game Pass. So we're going to go ahead and open up Call of Duty, and let's see, look. And as soon as it loads up, and look, you can even join a party like you're actually on an Xbox. You can join a party and still control it or quit the game from the middle button, no matter what controller you're using. And just to show you, look, it's also syncing up your data. So if you have, if you're a high level or anything like that, it is still synced up and you do not have to start over. So I'm loading up my Call of Duty, and look, it tells you about all the new stuff. And I have all these, I have access to all of these guys, and this is on the Fire Stick. So let's say, hey, I want to play the brand new Zombies map that just came out. I could click on it, and this is probably my first time actually clicking on this map. So look, just like all Call of Duties, is going to show you an animation. So this right here is on the Fire Stick. This is the Fire Stick, guys, and it doesn't even look like it. So look, it has the same exact intro. So this is the actual cinema sequence before the zombies mode. And look, now I'm actually at the menu. I skipped it, and I can actually create my class. And if I wanted to, I could, well, I'm gonna go ahead and hit ready up. I'm not gonna actually play because we're recording a video, but look, it put me in a lobby with real people, and we can actually play this new Zombies map. I'm not going to do that for obvious reasons because, we're trying to make a video here, But look guys, it also even has the season pass. This is the actual Call of Duty Black Ops 7 that I'm playing right now. You can also play Warzone or whatever you would like. But just to show you, look, we are on the Firestick. And when you go out, that's exactly what it looks like. When I go back in, it's like it just quits out of the game and you can just click on another one. But that right there is amazing on its own. And just like that, we were able to connect our PS5 controller to the Xbox app on our Firestick. Wow. And also guys, we are around 30 subs away from 4,000. So if you're one of those 1 million people who watch the channel but haven't subbed yet, please do it now, because we are back. The studio is active and we're hitting 4K very soon. Once again, I appreciate y'all. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.